Hey there, Kalena from Voice Savvy coming right back at you with another video. So today we are talking about vocal warm-ups. We're going to be talking about why we should be warming up as singers, the benefits of warming up, how to effectively warm up, and I'm going to run you through a little bit of a vocal warm-up structure that you maybe can incorporate into your own vocal warm-up regime. So let's do this. So why warm up? Well, there's a whole lot of muscles involved when it comes to singing. You have the larynx, the respiratory system, and all of the other supporting muscles that all need to work well and coordinate well together in order to produce a healthy vocal function. Now, when we warm up, we help those muscles to become more pliable, better coordinated, which is ultimately going to optimize your voice for better singing. When it comes to the benefits of warming up is going to help us prevent vocal injury, which we definitely don't want as singers. We don't want to be injuring our voices, trust me, it is not the one. And then it's also going to just help get our mind into the right place. So when we warm up, we help just get our mind focused on the task that is ahead. It's going to just reinforce good vocal habits, just reminding your voice of the healthy, good coordinations that you're building in daily. It's going to help increase vocal freedom so that you can creatively express yourself through the songs that you're singing. And also it's just going to really increase that stamina and longevity. If you want a long, successful career as a singer, then warming up is definitely going to be beneficial. I'm pretty sure there's another one. I can't think of it right now. That's it. It's going to increase your confidence levels. It's going to increase your confidence levels. As singers, our voice gives us different things on different days. So when we warm up, then we're going to know where our voice is at, and then we can act accordingly. So just warming up our voices is going to help us to know where our voice is at, so it increases our confidence levels. There's nothing worse than just singing and not knowing where your voice is at, you know? So make sure that you're doing a warm-up. As singers, you know, it's the little good habits that we do on a daily basis that make up of the bigger picture and make such a big difference. If you're not warming up regularly as a singer, then I would just really encourage you to just build this into your lifestyle. But there's so many benefits to warming up, and yeah, at the end of the day, just do it, innit? Okay, so let's talk about how to effectively warm up. There should be two sides to your warm up, a physical warm up and a vocal warm up. Now, when it comes to the physical warm up, it's all about just loosening up any tension in the shoulders, neck, and back area. Any tension in these areas is going to cause restriction on the voice. So we just want to loosen up as much as possible before we begin to vocalize. Now, when it comes to the vocal warm-up, the main goal of the vocal warm-up is to encourage comfort, you know, and keep us clear from unnecessary tension. With this, we want to allow the voice to gradually flex and stretch as it warms up. So physical, semi-occluded, chest voice, head voice, mixed voice. That is a vocal warm-up structure that you can really begin to work in and follow. So with the physical, we just want to loosen up any tension in the shoulders, neck, and back area, which can affect the voice. And then the next one that we want to start with when it comes to vocalizing are your semi-occluded vocal tract exercises. Why? It's because these allow your voice to vocalize with the most amount of ease. And remember, the warm-up, the vocal warm-up, is about gradually allowing your voice to flex and stretch. So semi-occluded vocal tract exercises, which just means your mouth is partially closed. So these would be your lip trills, your strawing, your voiced fricatives, your humming, you know? So those are really good exercises to really begin vocalizing with after you do your physical. Then the next would be chest voice. So chest voice is the foundation, you know? Like I mentioned in a previous video, when you're singing in your mixed voice, you get that power from chest voice, and then you get the sweetness from head voice. So we want to make sure, in order to really warm up your overall voice and really balance it out, that you're warming up chest voice, you're making sure that you're getting some good, clean, efficient vocal cord closure in your chest voice notes. Then from there, head voice would be the next place to go. Head voice, making sure that all of your notes are comfortable in head voice, and then from head voice, you want to warm up your mixed voice, especially because Your mixed voice consists of chest voice and head voice, and making sure that they are nicely balanced. So when you warm up chest voice and then head voice and then you warm up mixed voice, then your voice is just going to be in a better place, you know? It's going to allow for your mix to be optimized. Stay tuned, because in my next video, I'm going to be quickly running you through a few practical vocal warm-up exercises that you can do and really incorporate into your vocal warm-up regime. So any questions, comments or concerns, leave a comment below or send me an email, info@voicesavvy.com. But I will see you soon. Peace.